To submit a business income tax return in Pakistan, you need to follow these steps. Get registered with the Federal Board of Revenue, FBR, by obtaining a National Tax Number, NTN, and Sales Tax Registration Number, STRN. Collect all the necessary financial documents such as invoices, receipts, bank statements, etc., which are required for the tax return. Calculate your taxable income for the tax year, i.e., from July 1st to June 30th of the following year. File your tax return online through the FBR's e-portal, which is called IRIS, Integrated Taxation System. To access the portal, you need to create an account by providing your NTN and STRN. Fill out the required information in the tax return form, including your business's income, expenses, deductions, and tax liability. Upload all the supporting documents along with the tax return form. Review the tax return carefully to make sure all the information provided is accurate and complete. Once you submit the tax return, pay any outstanding tax liability within the due date to avoid penalties and interest charges. Wait for the FBR to process your tax return, which usually takes a few minutes. You can check the status of your tax return online through the IRIS portal. In summary, submitting a business income tax return in Pakistan involves registering with the FBR, collecting financial documents, filing the tax return online through IRIS, paying any outstanding tax liability, and waiting for the FBR to process the return. It is essential to file the tax return accurately and timely to avoid penalties and legal issues. It is important to note that the submission and payment deadlines for salary returns vary depending on the taxpayer category and the tax period. You should consult the FBR website or a tax professional for specific guidance on deadlines and procedures. Any query, please contact us Links Consultant 0335-2217222. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.